Yeah, it's everything that's on there.
Has he put everything on?
Pretty well, I think.
History of Carlsberg with nothing to do with the layers. History of Carlsberg Brewery.
That's what he should put.
It's probably the best layer here.
Absolutely. In the world.
No, I wouldn't go that far.
Oh, I don't know. For its size.
They're really there.
Are they?
Drive through that road. Jakobsen wanted to have a grand entrance to this brewery when he built it. So, yeah, we moved some of the buildings around a bit so that we can get together.
Is it all scratch built?
Yes. Not the locomotives, no.
Gestapo's on the back of there.
Where John's taking pictures. That's the boss in his office with the roaring fire.
Well, it would be, wouldn't it? You know, everybody else. He sat at the desk.
He sat at the desk, oh yeah.
That's really good.
Actually, it's quite nice with something hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm alright, yeah. Do you want coffee, Tone?
Just a bit for you. Are we? What I do to it?
Yes, yeah. So it's such a big nail it is.
Having one of those parties. The better stuff if you can get it instant streaming.
Wow.
No?
Oh, sorry. Thought you'd said something.
Actually, it looks like yeah, the stuff at the boat.
LED, aren't they? Yeah, must be LED. I'm going to drop my jacket in the bag.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
South African locomotives, American built.
Yeah, it's
When we came home, I went to Brian's Norton. In Wantage, where we were living, it was superb. But yes, just to say, that one's scratch built. The red one and the blue one are both backwards winter skips, heavily modified to suit what I wanted to do. I built that one 25 years ago, and I used
I didn't bring my camera, no, I'm sorry. Just to prove it.
Are you okay walking back with Mummy? Yeah? Do you want to walk stay with me and walk back with me? Yeah?
Wow, that's really
you get the point, looks okay. So you're sure?
Yeah.